in this video I'm going to show you how to convert Word file to PDF easy. So for this, let's create a new Word file. Let's name it as test. Hi, this is a test file. So Ctrl S, save it, then close. If you want this test file to convert it as PDF document, just open this, go files, save as. Here select your location, then press PDF, then click save. Here it will automatically open in this browser, so you can see it is in my desktop location. So this is how you can save Word to PDF. Or if you want one more way, you can just go and search like Word to PDF converter. Here you will get a lot of options. Just choose I love PDF, select a Word file, then desktop test, convert to PDF. It will take some time. It is converting. Once it is done, just click on download PDF and your PDF is ready. So these are all the two ways where you can do to convert Word file to PDF. So that's it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching.